Cutting waters, trying, every day, every day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a glueless, no wait, what am I talking about? I'm gonna be doing, what is this? A quick weave. I'm gonna be doing a quick weave today. I've never done a quick weave before, so I'm really scared a little bit. Oh, this hair is real soft. Okay, flip over style today. No part in this quick weave, so it's just gonna be like a flip over like this. I already have a lot of hair, so I'm scared if I get any glue in my hair, I'm gonna cry. So y'all, I made sure that for my leave out you couldn't see the comb, so you want to place the comb behind your leave out to make sure that none of it is going to be like showing your tracks. So that circle of that braid is just the leave out that I'm going to have. These are all the things I'm going to use for this video. Make sure y'all get this heat protector, it's real good. And of course, Salon Pro hair glue. Now this part was the most important. You need that dome cap and you need that diamond protectant hair shield. Right here, I'm just putting concealer so I know where my leave out is going to be and where the braids are going to be. So this little diamond hair protector shield, you need it. You need it. You need to slather it all on the hair that's going to have glue all over it and rub it in real good. I think I did about 2 layers of this. And I made sure it was completely dry because I was like, I don't want no glue on my hair. And I didn't have any glue on my hair at all whatsoever. Okay, so I think this is dry. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's dry. So I think I can go ahead and cut it. Oh, wait. Do I even cut this right now? I think I cut it when I'm done gluing. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to cut it after. It was perfect to cut my wig cap afterwards because, you know, gluing everything down that needed to be glued down worked perfectly. I measured each piece I needed to put on my head before I actually put glue and then glued it to my head and then blow dried it. So make sure you guys do that when you were doing this process. I might say I'm a virgin. Just like I switch my purses underlay. Now make sure you guys are blow drying your hair every time you lay that track down. I used my 3-way mirror to see everything I needed to see for this install. I'm gonna link it down below because y'all gotta get you one. You worrying about how to do things in the back of your head, you need a 3-way mirror. Like, it's perfect. So right here you see I'm taking the wefts and I'm like measuring, like, okay, how long do I want that piece to be that I'm about to start on next? After I measure out exactly where I want, I just take that weft where my thumb is and cut it off for the glue. And then once I put the glue on, I put that weft in the exact spot that I measured it on. And that's all I did. It was pretty simple. I think this took me like maybe an hour to complete. Maybe like an hour and change with styling my hair as well. So it didn't really take long at all. But be careful when using the glue because it can get messy. Okay, now that it's getting down to the last like little bit, I'm gonna start laying the tracks. I think they was going like this way and then laying some going like this way. Y'all will see, but since I'm getting up to like the little bitty piece, that's what I'm gonna start doing, laying it this way and then laying it this way. Okay, this has been a task. So basically this right here across, yeah, but I'm making sure it's tight because can't be having no gaps. Hell no. But I'm gonna lay this like across. And I grab my blow dryer every single time. Every single time I lay a track, I grab the blow dryer. Now, when I was done making that little like flat across, I started doing small pieces of tracks going upwards so that it would finish in the U the U part that was open would kind of close. So I basically just was taking small pieces and just building them upwards and upwards and upwards until it got like to the middle. Then I put like one last track that was going backwards. And I didn't make it big. I made it real small. Then I noticed I didn't really put a track behind it. So I ended up putting like a track behind it because I was like, no gaps. Like, we don't want no gaps. Like, you see that gap between the track behind, like right there, and the track I'm touching? I don't want that. Look at that. Look at that space. No. So we're gonna have to put a track right there where that hair is just flying open. Baby, no gaps. So we're gonna have to close that up because I don't want anybody to see any track. I don't want anybody to see any like of my wig cap or dome cap, whatever you want to call it. Had to make sure that it was all filled in. Also, if any of y'all have used hair glue before, how do you get it out of your clothes? I got some wig glue, some hair glue on my favorite skirt, and I don't know how to get it out. I tried washing it, it didn't work. So y'all let me know what to do. How do I get that out of my clothes? After the tracks was all done being laid down, I was finally able to cut that wig dome cap off, only on the perimeter where all my leave out was. But for this, you have to be very careful. You don't want to cut your real hair by accident, so just move everything out the way. You don't want to cut the tracks you just put on. Like, you don't want to do all that. Just make sure that you're cutting only the dome cap. Please be careful. So now I'm unbraiding my leave out, getting it prepared to be straightened and curled so it can blend in with the bundles. Now that heat protector I showed y'all, that's what I used for my natural hair and what I used for the bundles. So definitely use that heat protector. It really gets it real silky, girl. And like, my leave out really did last pretty well in Houston. I will say it just didn't hold a curl. Like, I will say nothing I did held a curl for real throughout the night. If you guys know any like products or anything I can do to make sure that my curls stay the whole like night, at least like 3 to 4 hours, let me know, because I tried to do flexi rods and it didn't happen. So this is it all straightened out. Like, my hair blended with this seamlessly. I could do a ponytail, I could do a high ponytail, low ponytail, I could do a bun. Like, it just came out seamlessly, y'all. But let me know what you guys think. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye, faves.